Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video I am going to share with you that how I used to speak English in my beginning days and how I used to learn English in my beginning days, and one incident also that had happened to me, and this incident is very funny, very interesting, and I hope you may like it. So first of all, before talking about that incident, I would like to share something which is all about one habit, and which is all about one, I think so, ability, and I mentioned it in many videos, in my previous videos also, many times. Okay, so the habit is like I can speak to myself, there is no problem. Yes, if I am alone here, so I can speak to myself, and just because of this habit, many incident happened to me while speaking English alone on the road. I'm somewhere else and I'm speaking alone, and so many people are just watching at me, that watching me while speaking English alone, while speaking like they don't know I'm speaking Hindi or what, but at least I'm speaking alone, at least I'm speaking to myself, right? So what happened, one day I was just speaking, I was I was walking on the road after learning some of the things, like what happened in my beginning days. I used to learn some of the things like in grammar and some of the vocabularies, some of the things, some of the stuff I used to learn according to like to make the sentence, to frame the sentence, right, so that I can speak English. So after learning some of the things to speak English, simply I learned some of the things, and I used to go outside for speaking English alone. Okay, so there was a road, there is a road, I would say, a little far from my village. So simply I was just walking on that road. Okay, and what happened, I was walking, so I was completely unaware about that who is coming and who is going, who is coming and who is going, right? And I was just speaking to myself. If so many people are coming, so I used to stop speaking loudly, I used to just whisper slowly, just I used to speak very slowly, right? So sorry, because I am just suffering from this type of cough. So yeah, if I talk about that incident, so what happened actually, one day I was walking on the roadside. Okay, and from my front side, from the front side of the road, there was an e-rickshaw was coming toward me. Okay, and there were some of the people were sitting in that e-rickshaw. So one girl also was sitting in that e-rickshaw. Okay, and I was not aware about that who is watching me and who is not watching. I was just speaking. Okay, yeah, I was just speaking the way I'm speaking here, just little slower. Okay, I was speaking at that place. So what happened actually, one girl was sitting in that e-rickshaw, and she had been staring at me since she saw me. Yes, she had been staring at me. And what happened, I was just completely unaware, I was just walking and talking to me, right, talking to myself. I was speaking, just I was practicing. What happened, as soon as the e-rickshaw came a little closer to me, I just saw I saw that girl. She was staring at me as if she had seen a ghost, and her expression of the expression of her face was quite different. I was about to laugh at that moment, but I stopped. I mean, somehow I stopped myself just before, I was about to laugh, but somehow I stopped myself. And as the moment the e-rickshaw passed by me, I laughed a lot, because what, I was speaking and there was no phone. I didn't have my phone also, because my phone was not charged enough. So I had put my phone on charge, so that is why I didn't take my phone. Okay, so that is why I was just alone, and there was no phone also. And that's why when she looked at me, and when I looked at her, oh my god, I was just about to laugh a lot. And after passing that e-rickshaw, I laughed a lot at me. I thought that I should have brought my phone with me, because these kind of incidents will keep happening with me, you know. So this is how it used to be. It used to happen to me, and it is not the first time. It is not the first time. It has been happening with me for a long time. Whenever I go, I speak alone. So it happened to me a lot of time, you know. Sometimes in my village, if I'm speaking, like if I see that yeah, there is no one, so I can speak with myself, I can speak to myself, right? So I just start speaking to myself, and suddenly some people just appears me, and I stop, and then they just watch at me. They think that, my goodness, what kind of things he's doing, and he was speaking alone. I think he's going mad, and what happened to him? I mean, what's wrong going with him, you know? They used to think like this. And still nowadays also I speak alone, and I don't know who is watching and who is not watching. And sometimes, you know, I don't have words even what kind of things happen to me, right? So my friend, just I want to say one thing. If you are alone, so try to find a place where you can speak, because I know very well that I don't know that you have this type of habit or not, but if you are speaking, so try to find a good place. And I would say that yeah, there is no problem actually while speaking on the road, while walking on the road and speaking, there is no problem. You can boost your confidence, right? This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.